guys, thanks for coming to Draw with Mom. Today, we're going to draw a baby penguin. All right, grab your pens. Let's get started. So grab that pen, and we're going to do the cute little baby penguin's head. So we're going to start on the bottom and come up and come around, right about back where you started. Okay, now we're going to come in and do the body. So we're going to come around, and then the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to put in those wings. So we're going to make a line down, and then up. And the same thing on the other side, down and up. All right, now we're going to come in and do the nose. I guess it's more like a little beak, so it's going to kind of look like a little football here. So do a little curve, and then we're going to do another little curve, and then this is going to be a happy little penguin. So he's going to be smiling just like that. Okay, now we're going to come in and do the white of the face. So we're going to come up and around, and then we're going to come up and around. And we're going to draw those cute little penguin eyes. I'm going to leave just a little bit of white in there on both of them. Then we're going to come in and draw the cute little penguin feet. So we're going to come out, in, up. We're going to come up, in, up, in, and then come right back in, just like that. And then the last finishing touch, we're going to come in and put the white belly right in there, just like that. And there's our cute little penguin. Okay, time to get coloring. Grab your crayons. Let's go. Okay, guys, there is our little penguin. I'm going to just add a little bit of snow underneath him so he's got a place to go. Just that curvy line right there. We're going to color it in real quick. Just a little bit of ice, a little snow. So he's in his perfect little habitat. Okay, there he is. There's our cute little baby penguin. Yay! Thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. See you next time.